That's what the car had looked like with the spoke on. That looked really good, bro. It looked really good. And then that's the back. So that's what the car had looked like with the spokes on. And like I said, it looked really good. All I need to do is really get that green off. But as y'all can see, I'm in my pop's pickup truck. You feel me? And if y'all look back there, y'all can kind of see just a little bit. You feel what I'm saying? The wheels in the back. Camera focus. So the wheels in the back of the truck now. I'm driving to drop off the wheels. You know what I'm saying? So once I get ready to drop, well, once I get to the crib to drop off the wheels, I'm gonna turn y'all back on and show y'all, you feel me, the wheels. So, but yeah, man, here go all 4 of the spokes in one frame. Like I said, I got 2 extra caps, and here go the pieces you use to actually put the wheels on. Like I said, I have 3 white ones and only 1 red, so I have to order 1 more red. And if y'all look, where is it at? Right there. Can y'all see? I don't think y'all can see it, but it says right, and then all the white, the white ones say left. I don't know if y'all can, yeah, y'all see that, left. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now, if y'all don't remember these spoke wheels, I had basically test fitted them already, and y'all know we was going to get tires and everything for them, but they started leaking. So I've been doing, like, watching a couple videos of people fixing their spoke wheels, doing a little bit of research, and yeah, you could fix them yourself. You know what I'm saying? All you need is some sealant. Put the sealant around the back of the spoke wheels, and you should be good. You feel me? So this video, we're just gonna be going to pick up the wheels. Then throughout this weekend, I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be trying to strip the paint off of them and getting some sealant to seal it. And I was gonna also try to wash my box Chevy and then do the surface frame rust repair. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, it depends on how much time I really have. You feel me? So yeah, like I said, this video, man, all we doing is going to pick up the wheels again, and I'm gonna have them with me again. So if, as y'all see, ain't no room in this car, so I'm finna go and basically trade cars with my pops. You feel me? Gonna get his truck and leave him my car, and I'm gonna go and grab the wheels, and then, you feel me, put the wheels up. And like I said, this video, all I'm doing is just picking up the wheels, and then I'm gonna show them to y'all. For those of y'all that are new, these are some 20-inch spoke wheels. They were green. My pops had painted them when he had, I forgot what car he had them on, you feel me, a long time ago. He kept these wheels, and I love spokes. Now, I do have to order 1 more of the wheel adapter thing, the wheel hub, so the rim will sit on. I only have 1 red, and I need 2 red and 2 white. I have 3 white, but only 1 red. So Amazon sell them, and I'm finna order 1 from Amazon after I go ahead and, you feel me, get the paint stripped off, and then get the tires. I found a full set of 24 or 20-inch tires, brand new. I think they was on Walmart or Amazon for $200 for all 4. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I need 1 red, well, yeah, 1 more red. So in total I need 2 red and 2 white. The reds go on the right side, which is the passenger side. The whites go on the driver's side. And you gotta have them colors, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have the one specifically for that side. If not, they will end up popping off and everything, and the wheel get damaged and your car get damaged. So I don't even feel like dealing with that. And these are only $40, so I'm gonna go ahead and order 1 of them later on. Like I said, I'm not in a rush to get that, because I gotta get the tires still, gotta seal it, gotta get the paint stripped off and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not in a rush to do this stuff. And y'all know these wheels are not my permanent setup. I just wanted to have a little bit of a bigger wheel on that car for my temporary setup, because y'all know I want to end up getting a custom set of wheels so I can have like a little lip in the back. You feel me? So yeah, I'm not gonna be keeping these wheels forever on this car. They just gonna be on here for now. Y'all know I love rims on cars. I love cars with rims on them, no matter the size, 20s, 22s, 24s, 26s, 28s. I don't care. I just love rims on cars. You know what I'm saying? And I've always liked the spokes, and honestly, I wanted to get a custom set of spokes for that Cutlass. I think it'll look so hard, you feel me? But yeah, man, I don't know what kind of custom wheel I'm gonna get yet. Not really in a rush to look for it, but like I said, I'd rather spend the $200 on getting the tires for them 20s for a temporary setup than trying to spend 2 bands on a custom set of wheels once I still got to get the car painted, still got to get the interior done. But real quick, I wanted to show y'all what the car had looked like with the wheel on. That way y'all will know, because I'm most likely not going to do another test fit until I go ahead and get them tires. Let me see, where is it at? Where is it at? 1 second, y'all. Done. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see. Time to bring this up. So that's what the car had looked like with the spoke on. That looked really good, bro. It looked really good. And then that's the back. So that's what the car had looked like with the spokes on. And like I said, it looked really good. All I need to do is get that green off. Maybe I paint them myself, you feel me? Just for like I said, like a little temporary setup. But most likely I'm not gonna paint them, I'm gonna leave them with that. I think it's a brush look right under it. So yeah, man, I'm finna ready to go to my pops, get his truck, grab the wheels, load them up, then take them to the crib. And once I get them to the crib, I'm gonna turn y'all back on, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all just stay tuned and I'll catch y'all in a second. My bad, y'all. I forgot to say, make sure y'all hit the like button, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share these videos, keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, now I will catch y'all once I get the wheels in my pop's truck. You feel me? So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Hold on, let me try and let the window up a little bit. But as y'all can see, I'm in my pop's pickup truck. You feel me? And if y'all look back there, y'all can kind of see just a little bit. You feel what I'm saying? The wheels in the back. Camera focus. So the wheels in the back of the truck now. I'm driving to drop off the wheels. You know what I'm saying? So once I get ready to drop, well, once I get to the crib to drop off the wheels, I'm gonna turn y'all back on and show y'all, you feel me, the wheels. So yeah, man, like I was telling y'all, man, we got the wheels, we got them loaded up and everything. Now all I gotta do is drop them off. And actually I'm pulling up to the crib now. I'm about 2 minutes away. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, like I said, if y'all look back here, can y'all see? Y'all can see just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So they in the back of the truck. So once, like I said, once I get to the crib, I'm gonna turn y'all back on, show y'all the wheels and everything, and get y'all opinion. Like I said, I showed y'all these wheels before. I just don't know if y'all remember. It's been a little minute, you know what I'm saying? A couple months since I last showed y'all the wheels and we tested them. So if y'all want to see them tested on the car, go to my playlist, car content, and scroll down till you find the wheels, or you can just search it, you know what I'm saying? Search my name and then test fitting 20-inch spoke wheels on my Cutlass or something like that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm pulling up now, so I will catch y'all once I get the wheels off, or once I get outside of the truck, either or. So catch y'all in a second. All right, so like I told y'all, man, I was pulling up to the crib, you feel me? So hop up on the bed. Here go the spokes right here. So like I told y'all, man, the first thing I'm gonna be doing is stripping the paint off. After I strip the paint off, I'm gonna get some adhesion, well, not even adhesion, some sealant, and we're gonna put the sealant all the way around through the spokes, because when I took these wheels to the tire shop and got the tires mounted and stuff, that tire is dry rotted, so that tire's been thrown away. But when I had took it to them, they said it was leaking through the spokes. And like I said, I done a little bit of research, watched a few videos, and people was just putting sealant back around this back area right here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm guessing that's all I gotta do. And I got 2 extra caps. 1 cap, 2 extra caps. All I gotta do is scuff it off, you know what I'm saying? Wash it off. But yeah, man, here go all 4 of the spokes in 1 frame. Like I said, I got 2 extra caps. And here go the pieces you use to actually put the wheels on. Like I said, I have 3 white ones and only 1 red, so I have to order 1 more red. And if y'all look, where is it at? Right there. Can y'all see? I don't think y'all can see it, but it says right, and then all the white, the white ones say left. I don't know if y'all can, yeah, y'all see that left. So yeah, man, and I don't think these have anything on them. This one say right, so that's a right one I'm gonna be using. This one most likely gonna be right too, because my dad said he had 3 red ones and 3 white ones, but you know what I'm saying, he gotta look for the other red ones, and if he find them before I gotta order it, then I won't order none. But if he don't find it in time, I'm just go ahead and order 1. You know what I'm saying? All I need is 1 more red, so I have 2 red, and then use 2 whites, and 1 of the whites not gonna get used. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna use this one and that one because the caps look a little better than this one. And then this red one, I'm gonna order one more red one and use most likely this cap because this one look a little better. But like I said, all I gotta do is clean them, you feel me? And yeah, like I said, man, these are 20-inch spokes. Honestly, be honest with y'all, instead of trying to lift my Cutlass up to fit 24s under it, I was thinking about lowering it just a little bit so I can kind of tuck a set of 22s instead of having 24s and having to cut, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to cut on that car at all, you feel me? So yeah, I'm thinking about lowering that car just a little bit, like get some aftermarket springs and shocks and stuff and lower it, or maybe get some air shocks for the back like I got on my Cutlass so I can have it aired out a lot, you know what I'm saying, to have that little tilt to it, you feel me? So yeah, man, like I said, these are the wheels. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Like I said, the first thing we're gonna be doing is getting some paint stripper and stripping the paint off of these, because this green is not going with nothing I have with that car. The car is gonna be a darker blue, kind of like that blue, that tart blue. It's gonna be a blue and black. So if anything, I'll probably paint the wheels blue or black, you know what I'm saying? But the car's not painted right now, so I'm not worried about having these wheels painted. What I'm really worried about, like I said, is getting that paint off of these. So yeah, it's gonna be one of the first things I do is strip the paint off, and then I'm gonna spray some sealant. Then I gotta order the tires. The tires come in, make a video on that. Then we're gonna get the tires mounted. Then we're gonna mount these on the car, just, you know what I'm saying, just to have some wheels on there, some bigger wheels on there instead of them stock 14-inch wheels, the rally wheels that I put on there from my box Chevy, because y'all know them are my box Chevy stocks. I'd rather have them sitting out for the box Chevy just in case I ever want to take them 26s off, you feel what I'm saying? So all new valve stems are already on them, because like I told y'all, man, I went and got tires put on, but they was leaking, so I just returned the tires. I didn't keep them no more, which I should have kept the tires, you feel me, because I had already paid for them, but I ended up getting my money back. So yeah, it'll be all right, you feel me? I'm gonna order some tires. But like I said, man, these are the spokes. That's what they're gonna look like with the cap on them. Y'all leave your opinions in the comments, man. I cannot wait to get these spokes on that car, bro. The car's gonna look so good. It's gonna flow really well. And it's gonna really give it that true old school feel, you know? Spokes on old school. Maybe I even try to find some white wall and put on the spokes. It'll really set it off, you know? That'd be so hard. But if I can't find no white walls for less than like $400 or $500, 20-inch, then I'm not getting there. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But I definitely want to get this size tire all the way around. But if I can't get them, then it is what it is. Because when I went to the tire shop to try to get these tires, they said these tires 255, 35, 20 is a little harder to find, you know what I'm saying, or harder to get. And if you get them, they cost a little more, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, now I gotta unload these wheels off, put them up, put these up as well. And like I said, later on this weekend, we're gonna go ahead and start stripping the paint off of this. Because if y'all look under, it's kind of like a brush, color. I don't know, what I really want to see is the color of the spoke. So the spokes are chrome. Oh, this is gonna be hard. This is gonna be hard. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all see it. So the spoke is chrome, bro. They are chrome. I thought they was gonna be like a brush, but they are chrome. And yeah, it's a little bit of surface rust, but that will come off once I clean these wheels. You feel me? They just need to be clean. That's it. And y'all can see right there the tire sealant. I had went and bought tires, and I had made a video on it as well of me buying the tires and getting the tires mounted, but I deleted the video because the spokes was leaking, and I didn't want to just give y'all a video and, you feel me, it would have been a waste, because I returned the tires same day and everything, you feel me? So yeah, man, like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below of the wheels. I'm finna unload them and put them up, and then I gotta load a different set of wheels on this truck for my dad so he can put them up for me, you feel me? And they not rims, they some stock Cadillac wheels for what is his Cadillac called? I done lost my train of thought. I forgot what his Cadillac was called. But yeah, I think it's a 70s Cadillac, or if not, it's an 80s, early 80s Cadillac. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta put his stock wheels back here, and he gonna put them up for me. And I'm gonna put these up, and like I said, we're gonna strip the paint off and everything. So I hope y'all excited and ready for that. So let me unload everything and I'll catch y'all for the outro. But like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Alright y'all, so back in my car now, as y'all can see. Like I said, man, if y'all want to see the wheels already tested on the car, click on my channel, click on playlist, scroll down, and type on, or click on car content. if you scroll down, you feel me, a little bit, then you'll see me testing them 20-inch spokes on the Cutlass, you know, and they look really good. I've showed y'all a few pictures already, you feel me. They look really good in my opinion. Now, all I really gotta do is, like I said, strip that paint off. It's chrome underneath. I didn't know it was chrome underneath that paint. I thought it was gonna be like a brush type of look, you know, but it's actually chrome. So like I said, I'm gonna try to do that this weekend, paint or get that paint off, and then I gotta go and get some cans for the sealant, because I seen Flex Seal sealant. That was one of the videos the dude used, the Flex Seal sealant. Clear, they have a clear kind and a black kind, so I'm gonna get that. If that don't work, then I'll come back and do some different type of sealant, you know. But yeah, man, we're gonna try that out, and then I gotta get some cans of the Rust-Oleum for my box Chevy frame, and I'm gonna do the same thing to my Cutlass frame once we get that car back. And like I said, I'm thinking about lowering the Cutlass a little bit so it'll tuck them wheels a little better. But like I said, the 20s, we not them just a temporary little wheel to put on there for now. My final setup I want to do is a custom set of 22s, and I want to do like somewhat of a lip in the back, you know what I'm saying. I don't want to cut on that car at all. And I've seen a few Cutlasses not cut, but they was lifted up a lot. I don't want it too lifted up, you know what I'm saying. My box Chevy's already lifted. Why not have my Cutlass lowered just a little bit, you know what I'm saying, to where, you feel me, it ain't really, I really love to do air suspension on that car, but I'm not spending $2,000 on bags and the compressors. Yeah, I'm not spending that right now. So yeah, man, like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about the wheels. I'm excited to actually get those wheels on the car. And yeah, y'all just stay tuned for everything we finna do with those wheels. It's a lot I still got coming. I've ordered a few more things. Should be coming in the mail real soon. For more so for the Cutlass, you know what I'm saying? It's more for the Cutlass than I think for the, I don't think I ordered nothing for the box Chevy. Maybe I ordered one thing for the box Chevy, but everything else I ordered is for the Cutlass. So really I'm gonna just be showing it to y'all because I can't install it because the car's still gone, as y'all know. So yeah, I don't think it's really nothing else, you know. The car is still getting fabricated right now. Y'all know the floor pans, the few little metal pieces on the actual body of the car, and what else? That rear bumper getting pushed out. I think he gonna check out my reverse lights for me. I was gonna do it myself, but he already got it, and since he's pushing that rear bumper out, I think he's gonna check that out for me. And yeah, the floor pans, I think that's it. Once we get the car back, man, y'all know we're gonna be pushing forward. So much we gotta do. All this stuff gotta get out of this car so I can actually clean the inside of this car, because the inside of this car really needs to be clean, and I haven't been able to do it because I've been having all this stuff in here. So once that car come back, all this stuff is getting taken out of here, and we're gonna be putting it inside the Cutlass and installing it actually on the Cutlass, you know what I'm saying. Most of this stuff is not gonna be just sitting in that car. Just about everything in here is gonna go straight onto the car installed, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all like the wheels. Like I said, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. We're gonna be sealing them up. We're gonna be stripping that paint off, and I'm most likely not gonna paint them, you know what I'm saying. I might just rock out with that chrome, and until I get me a custom set of wheels, you know. So yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this videos, keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Stay tuned. Peace.